We are in Ironshore, Rosehall. I have Witter Village in front of me, Blue Diamond over to that side, and behind me I have Burger King, a plaza, and Cool Oasis gas station. Today's walk with me takes us to Ironshore, Mount Salem, Cornwall Regional Hospital specifically, and the Barnett View Community. And let's get started. Behind here we have the Rio Hotel, and I think Sandals is up on the other side, so we're going over that side to take a look so that we can see the outside of the hotel. Erica? Why is this the first time I'm seeing this Ironshore sign? Huh. Okay. Down that side is a Sandals Resorts, one of the many Sandals in Montego Bay. Across here, what we're seeing now, this is Rio though, stretching all the way down to that side. Alrighty, we're behind the plaza that I showed you that has Scotiabank on it. Plaza beside Burger King, or is it behind Burger King? So the Rio Hotel was refurbished in 2020 and is exclusive to people over the age of 18. It's about 1.7 miles from the airport. The hotel boasts all of 5 swimming pools, one of which is a swim-up bar. And if memory serves me correct, this road here is the original road before Rosehall Highway was constructed. Yeah. Is this a restaurant? It looks like a restaurant. Interessante. Now we are just behind Cool Oasis, and I can see all the way down there is the Sandals Hotel sign. I'm going to come up here. I didn't even know that this seating area was here, but yeah, get some cool breeze before I move on. I think I'm going to take a taxi back in town, and I'm going to take a drive up to Mount Salem after this quick break. Okay guys, so it's hella windy where I am. On the Rosehall main road, across from Witter Village. You see KFC in my background, and sitting on this seat that I saw in the middle of the lawn across from Cool Oasis, and I think that's Sandals in front of me. And going to see if I can get a taxi now. Winter Village. Okay. You can cross the road. Cross your side. Now we're back in town and we're going to hop into a Salem taxi now. I'm just going to give you a quick view of the Cornwall Regional Hospital, and then we're going to go back on the road for another trip. I'm going to go into the community that is across the street. Just walk out a section of that community. Hospital. The Cornwall Regional Hospital was completed in 1972 and opened to the public in 1974. The Cornwall Regional Hospital is located on a hill in Mount Salem. It is a 10-story building with a capacity for 400 beds. As you know, there is work going on to rehabilitate the hospital, so most of the services have been moved elsewhere on the property. So here we have a pharmacy across from the hospital, and apparently a specialist and ENT clinic as well. And right there in front of the hospital, those are restaurants, little restaurant stalls. So if you're hungry while over there, you can get something to eat. All right, into here. Yeah. And as the sign says, this is Montego Bay Hospital and Urology Center. So it's beside the Cornwall Regional Hospital. And this community here, I've never been inside, so I'm just going to take a quick walk in there. You can join me. The view seems nice from here, and it's a perfect location. I mean, it's right in front of the hospital, and of course, there is a police station close by, so that's perfect. This side has a lovely view of the mountains. The other side provides a lovely view of the city and the sea. By way of information, one of the residents I spoke with said that they are renting a 4-bedroom house for 50,000 for the month. So that sounds good. Hi, miss. This road takes me back onto the main road? Okay, thanks. One view over here, so is that the sea? Wow! Alright, we need to move up here, so do you see the sea? Do you see the view? Damn! Look at the view! Look at the view! I'm in love. Look upon the view. Cheese and peas. Yo! The view. Look at the view of Mobay. This is gorgeous. Alright, I have to turn back.
Where me was, me never like when me there too much and I get up.
Where you were before? We live up there, so.
That's nice, man. There's some more place around here.
Renting, right?
Yeah, see one place up there, locked up on a button.
Crutching, funny something.
And hope this are nice, man. Tell us at night time, I mean, sleep like this when you worry about nothing.
Because police station the right across.